A body of mass 60 gram experiences a gravitational force of 3 Newton. When placed at a particular point, the magnitude of the gravitational field intensity at that point is. So we know, according to universal of gravitation, gravitational force F equal to capital G, capital M, small m by R square. That is nothing but F by M. So we can also write capital G, capital M by R square. So you can make it a equation 1, and given data F equal to 3 Newton, your mass equal to 60 into 10 power minus 3 kg, because they given in grams. They given in grams, we have to convert into kg. So we know that gravitational field intensity formula Ig equal to, what is the Ig formula? Capital G capital M by R square. From equation 1, if you compare both this, if you compare these two, then we can identify, we can write cap Ig. So gravitational field intensity, that is F by M. F is already we know, right, 3. M we already know, right, 60 into 10 power minus 3. So if you solve this one, we'll get 50 Newton per kg. So this is the answer. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you.